Yeah, so Opendoor Technology looked great today. Not a lot of news, but the chart looked great. We're up around 18, 20%. Let's look at the chart and I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. Now this looks good. This is the weekly chart and we're starting the week very strong. We had 3 red candles, so 3 weeks in the red, and now we got a nice green candlestick on a weekly. That looks real good right there. Let's check the daily chart out. We're still in the consolidation area between 170 and 260 is the consolidation area. Once we break 260, we're no longer consolidating. We're going much higher. So 260 is going to be a strong resistance for Opendoor Technology. But what looks so nice is that we had 3 days of consolidation, and then we have this nice big green candlestick right here overtaking the last 3 days. So the short-term resistance was 225, 226 area, and we broke that. Our high today was 236, and what we needed to break today was 224. So we destroyed it. We destroyed the resistance. Stock market just closed. Looks like we closed at 231, but we have a lot of buying. Let's look at the MACD, and we're seeing green candlesticks on a red bar MACD. When that happens, that's bullish, very bullish. We have the MACD flatlining a little bit, possibly can go up. We'll see in the next couple of days. If it does, very bullish. RSI is already bullish. RSI is starting to turn up a little bit right here. So RSI is bullish. MACD is not bullish yet, but it's almost there. If we have a couple more good days, MACD is going to be bullish as well. And here we are between the lines that I drew a while back. $3 main resistance, 170 support. Once we break that $3, it's probably going to pump with a lot of volume once we break the $3 range. The first main resistance is going to be 260. Next one, $3. Once we break $3, it's going to move fast. I'm telling you, it's going to be a lot of volume. It's going to move fast once we break $3. But we got to hold the $3 too. But once the $3 is break, probably going to see a lot of volume, a lot of volatility. And here's the hourly chart. Nothing but green candles today, except for one red candle right here. Once that red candle was formed, it was bought up right away. And we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours of green candles, 6 hours of buying pressure, more buying than selling, 6 hours. That's real good. So Opendoor is still getting a lot of attention. It has not gone away, and this could be just the beginning. Let's look at the 1 minute after hours to see what's going on. After hours, we hit 234, and we're trading around 234, 231 after hours at the moment. So where do we go from here? So tomorrow we want to break the 235, 236. If there's a pullback, the support will be at the 215 area. 215 support area for Opendoor. It's a lot of data reports coming out for the market in general. I'm not sure if that's going to affect Opendoor or not, but there's a lot of data reports coming out, and it will affect the overall stock market, tech stocks, Nvidia, the Qs, the SPYs, but we don't know how it's going to affect Opendoor. It may not affect it at all. We're going to see what happens. As you can see, after hours, still pumping, a lot of volume. How much volume do we have today? Today we had 142 million volume. Looks good. As you can see, on August 7th, we had 140 million volume, but it was a red candlestick. Today, 142 million volume. Just the flip side. 140 million volume with a red candlestick. Today, 142 million volume with a green candlestick, and it's a nice candlestick. That's a bullish candlestick. It looks really good. Once we break that 260, 270 area, and we break that $3, Opendoor is going to be on the map again. A lot of attention will be at Opendoor. I can almost guarantee that. Here's a monthly chart. I really don't look at the monthly chart much because it's so far out. But if you look at the monthly chart, all the way back in 2024, there's a big resistance at 450, between 450 and 550. So it's obvious why we went down at $5 area, because we have a lot of resistance going back all the way to 2024. So after we break $5, where do we go to next? Let's check it out right now. After we break $5 and we can hold, the next resistance is really not until the $7 area. So yeah, this thing could actually fly from $5 to the $7 range real quick, just like that. There's a little bit of resistance around the 6, but it's not a heavy resistance. The heavy resistance is going to be around the 725 area after $5. So just remember, don't be spooked out. If you want to hold Opendoor long term, support for tomorrow is between 210 and 215. Do me a favor, everybody. Just subscribe, like, and comment any questions that you have. It'll do me a big favor. And more subscriptions I get, more comments I get, more likes I get, the more videos of Open Door will be coming to you. All right, everybody, take care.